Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know you guys haven't heard from me in a while, but thank you for coming back. This right here is a video of one of the more luxury buildings that I did a tour of earlier. I will put a link up at the top of this video for you guys to go and check it out. But this video is more so for the affordable buildings. And by affordable, I do mean $1,100 to $1,400 a month for a one-bedroom unit. So let's check these out. I did like the entrance to this apartment building. I thought that was pretty unique. This building also had somewhat of a mailroom. I didn't see that in the other buildings that we toured. Here goes the bedroom again with the radiator heaters. And they actually sell things to cover those on Amazon if you just don't like that look. But they are like $100 to $200 to kind of cover it. But it would be worth it just for aesthetic reasons. Okay, so our very first unit, I was kind of annoyed that they were still turning the unit over, but it was okay for the most part. Simple one bed, one bath, affordable. As you see, it's not all that renovated, but it could be perfect for somebody who isn't really looking for that and looking for that lower price point of 1100. See stuff all in the tub, see that up. But I am happy to see it, but it just wasn't fully ready, move-in ready. This unit is located in a courtyard style apartment building, which I don't necessarily care for, but it definitely serves its purpose, and sometimes allows for those lower price points. Okay. Now, this unit was actually my favorite unit, although it does obviously have this AC right there, so no central AC, but it is fairly renovated. I did like that. The bathroom, fairly renovated as well, as you will see. And it does have a tub. Some bathrooms in Chicago, they don't have tubs, only showers. Hall room closet. And this bedroom, it can fit a queen size bed. Not necessarily sure about a king, but it's a decent sized bedroom. Closet right here. So it kind of also depends on how much clothes you have. But the closet is an okay size. It's not too small, definitely. And the interesting thing about this building is that the entrance to the building is actually located on the side, as you see right here. So as you see, this is another courtyard style building. It does have the radiator style heaters right here. The bedroom sizes aren't too bad. As you can see, definitely can be used as an office or some type of extra space. This kitchen is a little too small for me personally, but if you don't cook very often, I guess it wouldn't be a problem, but it is very tight over here. As you see that back door right there, just so you can get out on the porch. All of the bathrooms kind of have a similar finish to them, as you can see. Again, another tub with a shower head. So yeah, as you see, nothing too fancy at all, no frills or anything like that. But 2 bedrooms at a lower price. Okay guys, this does conclude my video. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.